Okay, everybody, so today after the ride, luckily I had already finished the ride with Rusty up the mountain there, and the reins ended up breaking. So as you can see here, this piece has come off, and so it snapped close to where the bridle connection is, and most people would just be like, okay, well, I'm going to throw these away now. Don't do that. Don't throw these away. We used to do this on the ranch last year. Whenever we'd have a break, especially when it's a break, like here at the end, what you can do is you can go ahead and take, it'll shorten up the reins a little bit, and eventually you'll run out of reins, so you can't keep doing it, and the reins will just get so brittle. But there's enough good rein here that what I can do is I can take this, I'm going to cut this off right here, and then there's a leather puncher, and you can get those for saddles, bridles, what have you. We had those on the ranch. I'm just going to have to create the hole myself through it here, but I can still cut this off and salvage this so that these reins still have a little bit of life in them.